Halor ke Jingthang Kali Sarkar Kishnong Baper Kanong Ba Shillong. Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Conrad Sangma Ulong Bu Empat Ioh Ioh Kaiphot halor ke negakam nomor ubun kam hagi program bat ulale coba yajer. Ndre ulapen tikena bu sawat benia halor ke Jingja. Menteri Rang Ba ulapen pau bu umi ba ke negakam kan kata ke song san kejela nomor kala abandai tanggakam ke betengku bat kikatu kan kimat. Bat unsak mi benia hagi gisni. Lak ban kedau bah kas tak perngap jangan reu terik ujeliau arajar arpun riau lai teligi kali sarkar kelasya wiang deng hagi nong lek kam snio hagi lai teligi jaka boper kanong Ba Shillong kat gom gejing itu superintendent ki pulet ke district East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Sim kejingja ke menengkong kelaja ke por kembalai bejimen stamp hakmat ka police beat house haken stress ha ke baki runar kilatang ya ke kali pulet Mahendra Thar kabanan number ML not R san iwe hinriu kabala penjular yaki jaka syong jong kene kali. Hagawai pagajengja ka kali Toyota Innova kabranu number ML not san W lai kendai jong katanat ka koi kakya kaba penyeng harut surok hajan sinot college shalum ding jeri. Kala syau biang ding bat kala jular lut barok gawai. Sagawai pat ka kali Maruti Suzuki SX4 kabranu number ML not san F nriu not jong ganipko. Kaba penyeng hamulai put muriru kala syatang bat kala jular shibon bahagi benta pesepok jong kakali. Halor kini ke kam sneo kaken huan forensic science laboratory kelapoi baniarap shim yakidak bat ki pulet ki ladap register mokok duma hagi tanat baper kenang bantuet bat ban kem ya ki badan keti.
No, I'm not. I've not got the full reports on this. It may have been there, but I mean, yesterday I was out in lunch program, and then I had gone to Whitechurch, so I have not sat down with my team. I have not got the reports yet. Maybe the reports must have come in writing to the house. I've not been able to check that. So yeah, it could be there. I'll find out what's happened, and then maybe later on I can explain to you. But there is, I mean, it doesn't look like any major law and order as such as you mentioned, because definitely the news would have come. So it could be a isolated incident, but I'll definitely look into it. Thank you.